Hi, dear friends. This is another topic in game analysis. Gender differences in game analysis parameters after 2020 Tokyo Olympics and the comparison of the women's handball in Olympics with European Championships 2020. Game analysis in team handball is used in all dimensions in top and top national divisions, tournaments, continental championships, world championships, and Olympics. Results-oriented approach based on cumulative statistics is one of the main topics of tactical analysis in handball, identifying individual or collective parameters that significantly contribute to the success of the team. Many levels of success could be distinguished with a clear hierarchical relationships between them in research regarding tactical analysis in team handball in these topics: team's final ranking, match outcome, goal scoring, and physiological aspect. And you can see a lot of studies about game analysis and topics. About parameters, ball throw, goalkeeper performance, offensive parameters, defensive parameters, offense options, defense setup, imbalance games, superiority, inferiority, accuracy of shots, cumulative statistics, comparison of the teams or tournaments, and other parameters have searched by the authors. First aim of our study is to determine the gender differences in Tokyo Olympics. You can see the final standings and also Olympics and women and men Olympics. Second aim of this study is to compare Tokyo Olympics women's data with European Championships values. You can see 6 teams in European Championships are also in Olympic Games. About gender differences, we look for, are there any gender differences in parameters of goal throw efficiency, in offensive, defensive parameters, goalkeeper performance parameters, or the usage of players in rotation by the coaches. About comparison, we look for, are there any differences in goal throw efficiency parameters, offensive parameters, and also goalkeeper performance parameters. We include 76 games for gender differences, 85 games for comparison of the tournaments. You can see official official game report from Olympics and European Championships. We use t-test for gender differences in Tokyo Olympics and comparison between Olympics and European Championships. About gender differences, there's no significant difference in goal throw parameters. We found some differences in turnover, attacks per game, and attack efficiency percentage. No significant difference for defensive parameters, and also no significant difference in goalkeeper performance parameters, and same, no any significant difference for the usage of players in rotation by the coaches. When we look at the comparison about goal throw parameters, the study shown some significant differences in goal throw percentage, 6-meter shot, fast break shots, and breakthrough shots. In addition, attacks per game and attack efficiency percentages have shown significant difference. About goalkeeper performance parameters, just 6-meter saves and 7-meter saves shown significant difference. For the conclusion, for gender differences, just turnover, attacks per game in favor of women, and attack efficiency percentage is in favor of men data. And there's no significant differences in the other parameters. For the comparison, in favor of Tokyo Olympics, 6-meter goal throw efficiency, fast break shots, breakthrough shots, attacks per game, attack efficiency, and 6-meter saves have shown significant differences in favor of Tokyo Olympics. Just 6-meter shots and 7-meter saves are in favor of European Championships. The main findings for gender differences were that no measured differences in the general goal throw, positional efficiency, assist, stealing, block, goalkeeper performance, and the usage of players' rotation parameters according to the gender in 2020 Olympics. Turnover, number of attacks per game, and attack efficiency parameters between men and women were statistically different. For turnovers, we can say that the number of turnovers is higher for women. On the other hand, although women used more attacks per game, the offensive efficiency was found to be less. From the point of view of similar match parameters, we can say that modern handball is getting closer to each other in both men and women. The fact that ball handling, passing, and holding techniques are more efficient reduces turnovers in men. The fact that women are less successful although they attack more per game can be interpreted in different approaches. Individual goalkeeper efficiency, fast break tactics, personal goal throw preferences can affect these results. We have to talk about something about human memory. Human memory systems have limitations, and it's nearly impossible to accurately recall or interpret all meaningful events that have occurred over a long period of time, especially in competitions. Some studies have shown, for example, that international level football coaches can only remember 30% of the key factors determining successful football performance and less than 45% accurate post-game evaluation of what happened during the game. Moreover, although experienced coaches took notes while watching the match, it was found that the probability of accurately recalling critical events was only 60%. Processing data into memory and retrieving it later is a complex process. Gender differences. The main findings of some authors' study were that substantial gender differences were observed as male players demonstrated more physical, strength-related confrontations with opponents and performed more high-intensity work than female players, whereas female players showed a higher relative workload during match play compared with male players. Some authors found no such gender differences were found for beach handball game analysis parameters. Gender differences studied in handball are generally on physiological and biomechanical features, and there are not many studies on match analysis parameters. Top 7 teams in women's Olympic standings are from the continent of Europe. For this reason, the European Championships and Olympic match analysis parameters were compared. According to studies finding, it was determined that total goal throw, fast break, and breakthrough shots parameters of female handball players in the Olympic Games were higher. On the other hand, it seemed that the 6-meter shots efficiency of female handball players in the European Championships is higher. The high value of total goal throw, fast break, and breakthrough shot parameters may be due to the match of the European teams with other teams. The use of more 6-meter throws in European Championships may also be due to the center of the defensive toughness and the frequency of the defensive players. The same interpretation can be made for the number of attacks and attack efficiency to be higher in the Olympics. 7-meter saves difference in favor of European Championships can be explained by the individual success. That was my study comparing international tournaments, and I emphasize that European teams are the locomotive of modern handball. As a result, it has been observed that the European teams leading the world handball are more successful than the other teams. In the important parameters affecting the attack performance, especially goalkeeping activity in favor of other teams can be evaluated as individual success. It's fact that European handball is the leader in the world. Too many European teams targeting success also increases the quality of competition. At this stage, it can be said that the European teams have applied all the stages of first-grade attack very well to reach the simple goal. It makes necessary to analyze the performance. For this reason, the evaluation result will be magnificent if the correctly constructed analysis studies are supported by the statistics obtained with the correct numbers. Every handball coach wants to be able to put his or her team's performance into numbers 100%. What will bring this assessment closer to 100% is the large number of studies on this subject. Thanks for your listening. I'm waiting for your questions. Thank you.